Hi everyone, just to say quick update on the Outer Bridge issue. It was my poor editing. I didn't realise that on the last clip of the Outer Bridge reaction I didn't turn on the volume, so I'm really sorry about that. I'm re-recording my reaction for it because I accidentally deleted all my video footage. So expect that tomorrow. Really sorry again. If you're wondering why it's come off the channel, is because I just want to do it justice for you guys. So sorry about that, and expect it on the channel tomorrow, as well as a new Outer Bridge reaction and a new Tool reaction as well. Thank you for your patience. Thank you for letting me know, guys, because without you, I wouldn't have known there was an issue with the video. So yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.